Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you are new here, thank you for joining me today. My name is Aisha. So, as you can probably tell from the title down below, we are going to be doing the no mirror makeup challenge, which, as you can probably guess, means I'm going to be doing my makeup without a mirror. So I'm not sure how this is going to go because I've been doing my makeup for at least like 10 to 12 years now, like every single day almost, and I'm pretty sure I know how to do it with a mirror, but I've never tried without a mirror, so I'm kind of nervous, kind of excited. I don't know. Before I was just imagining myself doing my eyeliner without a mirror, and I was like, I'm just not used to it. Like, I always have the mirror in this hand and the eyeliner in this hand, and I just don't know how it's gonna go. So basically I have cheated a little bit. I've done my brows. I haven't filled them in because I did dye them like 2 days ago. Check out that video if you haven't already. So I just put some soap in them just to make them stand up. Apart from that, I don't have anything on my face except moisturizer. That's why my face is a bit red, because I have just washed it, so excuse that. But yeah, before we begin, don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below and ring the notification bell so you're notified every single time I upload. Also, a quick disclaimer, I do have the viewfinder on just because I need to see if I'm in focus or not because I want to look in it while I'm doing my makeup. So the viewfinder is on this side where I'm looking now, but whilst doing my makeup, I'm gonna look to this side so you guys are sure that I'm not looking at myself. Okay, so let's get started. Right, so the first step is foundation, and I'm going to be using the NABLA close-up foundation in the shade M10 medium. This step can't be too difficult, right? So I've got some on my hand there. I'm really not looking into the viewfinder. And I'm just going to dot it on my face. Oh no, I shouldn't have covered my brow. Okay, yeah, so I'm just dotting that all over my face. And then I'm going to take the Zoeva 104 buffer brush and just blend that in. I feel like this brush is going to make it a lot easier because it's super big and it covers a lot of surface area. Okay, this is so weird. I'm just going to try not to get my eyebrow. Okay, I'm just blending it down my neck. How's it going, guys? I can't see myself, so hopefully it's going well. Don't know, do I need a bit more? Let's put a bit more. There is nothing like the feeling of a clean foundation brush. It's so soft. Okay, I hope this is not really the step that I was worried about. It's just the eye makeup. Oh no. Okay, and now we're going in with the NABLA concealer in the shade Ivory. And I'm just gonna make some triangles under my eyes, down the center of the nose, and also in the middle of the forehead. And I'm going to blend that in with this Zoeva 103 defined buffer brush, which is like an angled brush. And it makes it really easy to get out my eye, into the corners and like right under the eye. And I'm going to put that also on my eyelid. I just stabbed myself in the eye. That was not nice. I've really been enjoying doing challenges at the moment because this is definitely the best time to do it. So we have a lot of time on our hands at the moment. So what better time than to just play around with makeup? I feel like I'm being super rough with myself. I'm like stabbing myself in the face with the brush. Okay, so I think that will do. Now we're going to go in with powder. And I'm using the Fenty powder in the shade Butter. I think this is almost finished. I need to order a powder. This is my favorite one. And yeah, it's almost finished because I always like just pour it all out onto my trousers. That's great, Aisha. Okay, I'm going to use the Zoeva Luxe highlight brush and just set my under eyes and eyelids and my whole face with the same brush, just because I'm lazy. Oh, there's a woman hanging up her clothes outside. Hello, hopefully she can't see me. Okay, now we need a bronzer. So I'm going in with the Shade and Light palette, and I'm going to take this middle shade up here. I'm taking it on like this kind of flattish brush. Don't even know, I was going to look in the mirror there and I realised, oh no, can't do that. Right, contour. I mean, I'm not finding it too difficult so far just because I'm so used to doing these steps, and like my hand's just kind of moving in the direction that it usually does when I do my makeup. It's like muscle memory, you know. It's a really nice day outside though. And it's really cute. In Italy, like all the houses, like all the kids around my area have drawn little posters like with a rainbow saying everything's gonna be okay. And everyone's like hung them up outside their balconies and on their windows and stuff. So that's super cute. Everything will be okay. I'm just like putting the whole bloody pan on my face right now. Okay. That's enough. Let's go in with blush. This is the Hervana blush by Benefit and it's super cute. I've really been loving it. Well, at least this is good practice, like if I forget my mirror and I need to do my makeup somewhere. Okay, I'm being really rough on my skin. It kind of hurts. Okay, next we have highlighter, and this is the OFRA highlighter in Rodeo Drive. I'm going in on my forehead. Is it blended? Did I put enough? That'll do. It's time for the eyes. Oh dear. Okay, so I'm using the Tati beauty palette. It does have a mirror in it, but I'm just gonna like do this and not look in it. So I'm gonna take the shade, this one, I don't know what it's called right now. So I'm gonna take the shade Soothe, and as I said, the mirror is on this side, so I can't see the mirror. And I need a fluffy brush. I also washed all my eyeshadow brushes and I'm so satisfied. So these eyeshadows are so pigmented, so I'm kind of scared. Maybe my concealer is creased. Let me just do this. Oh no, this is gonna be a disaster. I can feel it already. Oh no, where is my eye? Okay. Ooh, stressed. At least these eyeshadows blend really nicely, so hopefully that will help. Oh goodness, this is actually way more difficult than the rest. Like the face, I don't know how it looks yet, but it didn't feel like it went too badly, but this feels so unnatural. Okay, but at least I can close my eyes. I'm scared. Okay, now I'm gonna darken it. So I'm gonna take, I don't know, shall we go like orangey? I'm gonna take Story, which is like a reddish, bricky, red, orange shade. Okay, oh my gosh, so bloody pigmented. Okay, oh no. Okay, we're not going for like anything too complicated. I'm gonna put that on the outer corner. Where is my original brush, please? Okay. So I'm just going to try and blend that out with the original brush. So I really don't know if it's blended. I can feel that I've taken it way too high up. I mean, like on the outer corner. Right, that's enough. Now, just on the outer corner, I'm going to take the shade Ritual. Is that the outer portion? Let me guys know if there are any like other challenges you'd like me to do, if you like watching these kinds of videos. Right, all good for now. So I think I want to take this shade. I mean, I've never actually used it before. It's like an orangey shade, but there are little shimmers running through it. I don't know how much that's gonna show up on the eyes. Like, that's so beautiful there. Can you see? I'm just gonna apply that with my finger just because that's easier for me. The only good thing about not having fake nails on is that I can apply eyeshadow with my finger. Going back in with the dark brown Ritual just to blend them together. And now, just to spice it up a little bit, I'm going to take this glitter here. Look at that! I'm so excited. Okay. Is it going well? Haven't even done the lower lash line yet. Oh my goodness. I don't know why my lower lash line is so weird. It just doesn't turn out nicely. Now, we just need to blend a tiny bit more, I think. I don't know. And for the lower lash line, we are going to use this shade. This shade here again. This is the Story shade. I'm going to take that maybe on a pencil brush at first, just so I don't make a big mess. Oh no, this is the hardest part so far. Oh my goodness. I don't think that went well. I don't know. That literally just went all in my eye. Okay, and then taking Ritual, the dark brown, just on the outer corner because I want to like connect it to the upper lid. Right, and then I'm gonna take like a clean fluffy brush just to blend it out. I love this trick though, like taking your foundation brush or concealer brush and maybe just cleaning up the edges. I don't know if it's actually cleaning right now, but... And next we're going to attempt some eyeliner. So this is the MAC gel liner and it's in the shade Black Track. Oh my goodness. We're gonna go for a smoky liner. Yep, this is definitely the hardest part. And then I'm just gonna dip into a bit of Memory in the Tati palette and attempt to smoke that out. And then maybe in the waterline. Ow. Ugh. Bleh. Ooh, that tickles. This is not a good challenge for contact lens wearers. I feel like the makeup's just gone all into my contact lens. Right, the next step is, I think, mascara, right? Mascara, yes. And yes, guys, I am going to attempt to apply false lashes. I'm a mess when it comes to mascara anyway, so let me just put glue on my lashes. Okay, while I wait for the lash glue to dry a bit on my lashes, I'm gonna go to lips. And firstly, I'm gonna line them using this MAC, this is the lip liner in. I don't even know. Oh, well, it's so tiny. This is my favorite liner, lip liner. Also, my lip line is so uneven. So this is also kind of tricky for me right now. And then I'm just gonna fill them in a bit with the liner. And for liquid lipstick, I'm using the JEFFREE Star liquid lipstick, and this is in the shade Celebrity Skin. This is my go-to nude lipstick. I feel like they might be a little uneven. Some people actually do apply lipstick without a mirror. I don't know how they do that. Okay, that will do. And now we're gonna apply that inner corner highlight, just as I said. The Aura shade from the Tati Beauty palette. Actually, I should use a brush because that will probably be easier for me. Not in the brows, Aisha, on the brow bone. Okay, and then we're going to apply the lashes. These are the DODO lashes in the style D119. Oh no. I just feel like I need to pull it in. I just stuck it to the middle of my eye. Don't apply lashes without a mirror. It's hard enough as it is already. I'm gonna use this lash tool to like try and ow. My eye's gonna start watering. Aya. That was not nice. Okay, other one. Wow, this one I can feel so high up. What the hell? Oh well, that will do for now. My poor eyes are literally watering. Let's stop there with the lashes. Woo! Okay, the last thing is I need some brow gel and then some brow gel just because I covered them a little bit. Okay, I think I'm done, right? So from far away, it doesn't look that bad, but I don't know, that's far away. Let's get a mirror. So I'm gonna turn my Tati palette around and 3, 2, 1. Okay. I mean, the skin isn't that bad. I think I did pretty well on the skin. What do you guys think? I don't know. Like, that highlight is intense, but I think I blended it quite well. And the lips don't look that bad. This lash though, it just didn't want to work. It's just not sticking down. And also the glitter, I've got it like all on my under eye right here. And also I've got mascara in the middle of my eyes. This lash, I think if I didn't add the lashes, it wouldn't have been that bad, but the lashes just ruined everything. But this side doesn't actually look that bad, if I do say so myself. Just that inner corner there, like where all the glitter is, and also some mascara down here. Yeah, these are the lips though. I don't have much of a Cupid's bow. It's kind of like straight across, and this side, as I said, is a bit higher up than this side, but not the worst. Okay, so yeah, that is the finished look, guys. What do you think? Leave a comment down below of how you think it went, and thank you for watching this video. If you did like it, then don't forget to give it a thumbs up and click the subscribe button down below. And I hope to see you in my next video. Thank you for watching, guys. Bye bye.